Garlic is a plant that often goes unnoticed in the garden, even though it plays an extremely important role. Many people plant it out of habit without giving it much thought, yet it is actually one of the toughest and most useful crops we can grow. Besides being an essential ingredient in the kitchen thanks to its strong flavor, garlic also naturally supports other plants in the garden. Growing garlic does not require much experience or special conditions. It adapts easily to different soil types and weather conditions, and with minimal care it can produce strong and healthy bulbs. Precisely because of this resilience, many gardeners forget that garlic can still be affected by pests. Onion flies, various caterpillars, and aphids can slow down its growth and weaken the plant, which later affects the harvest. The good news is that garlic can be protected and strengthened in a completely natural way, without using any harsh chemicals. Below, I share 2 simple methods that help garlic grow strong, healthy, and resistant throughout the season. For the first preparation, add half a teaspoon of neem powder and 1 full tablespoon of baking soda to 1 liter of warm water. This natural solution is used before planting and helps protect garlic from fungal diseases, nematodes, and various pests. Neem is well known for its powerful insect repellent properties, while baking soda creates unfavorable conditions for fungal development and boosts the plant's natural resistance. Soak the garlic cloves in this solution for about 10 minutes, then remove them and let them dry in a bright, well-ventilated place before planting. Do not discard the remaining liquid, as it can be used further. To the leftover solution, add 1 tablespoon of wood ash and another liter of water. This creates a mineral-rich mixture that helps strengthen the soil and encourages healthy plant growth. Use this liquid to water the soil around the planted garlic, preferably in the evening or just before rainfall. It is enough to apply this treatment up to 3 times during the season. The first application should be in spring, the second about 2 weeks later, and the third in summer when the bulbs begin to form. This way, garlic receives support during key growth stages and develops strong and healthy. Be sure to watch our next video that appears on the screen. Thank you for watching and best regards.